a tablet? You've had one.
Why?
Because you had one.
You
had one. What's wrong? No, you had one, Zachy. What's wrong? Come here. What's wrong? You go, deep breath. Okay. Deep breath. Okay. You want to cuddle? What's up?
Tablet.
You've had one, sweetie. You had a robot tablet.
Tablet.
You did have 2 tablets. You had 2 tablets. Didn't you? You don't need 6 tablets. You are Zachary. Oh, you want to see Zachary on the camera. Okay.